Have you seen this video? Let's check it out together.
My friend and I loved each other a lot. The last time I saw him, so I wake up, I'm going to work to do a voiceover. So Kiki Bofa, my shoelaces, I'm sitting on the couch, I'm looking at the TV, there's Ramaphosa. And then I see at the corner of Newsroom Africa, at the bottom right, they say, at the age of 40. And Ki one Montluma Africa. Azanka Chwakle Haso, I was like, somebody tell me this is a freaking joke. I drove to the office. The office was there. It was not there. That represents Presley and I, Monin Lee and Associates. And we give thanks to Monin. She really took care of us as young boys. And when I got there, the office was not there. I forgot they actually went down to Cape Town for another workshop. I needed to confirm it with somebody. I needed to cry to somebody. Presley, Charlene, am I lying? Presley was my man, dog.